Did you know that what you eat can help your kidneys stay healthy and lower creatinine levels naturally? In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful kidney healing foods that support kidney function and detoxification. Your kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from the body. High creatinine levels can indicate kidney issues, but the right foods can help protect and support kidney function naturally. Red bell peppers are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, helping reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Do you include bell peppers in your diet?
Comment below.
Garlic helps reduce blood pressure and detox the kidneys thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Have you tried adding more garlic to your meals? Let us know. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which help lower cholesterol and support kidney function. What's your favorite way to eat apples? Drop a comment. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, blueberries help protect the kidneys from damage. Do you enjoy blueberries? Let us know how you eat them. Cabbage is low in potassium and high in fiber, making it great for kidney health. Do you like cabbage in salads or soups?
Comment below.
Cranberries help prevent urinary tract infections and protect kidney health. Have you tried cranberry juice for kidney support? Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Do you eat fish regularly? Let us know. Other great kidney-friendly foods include cauliflower, a low-potassium alternative to starchy foods, olive oil, a healthy fat that reduces inflammation, and onions, which help detoxify the kidneys and improve circulation. Eating the right foods can help lower creatinine and protect your kidneys naturally. Which of these foods do you already eat? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health insights.